What's going on with you guys today? I want to share with you guys my 3 best machines that I use on a daily basis, and I'm going to share with you guys that maybe you can use in the future. So the 3 machines that I want to go over with you guys today that I use on a daily basis is the FX Gold trimmers, the wireless master, and the oster Topaz. So to start off with, one of my best recommended trimmers out there. This machine cuts super sharp. I've been using the T-Aligner trimmers, the Slim Pro, also the wireless T-Aligner trimmers, and none of them cut like this one. This one cuts very sharp and it is on point. When I first got it, you do have to modify the trimmer a little bit on the teeth so that it can cut sharp. But this is highly recommended. The grip is nice, very comfortable. It's light as well too. The price point on this will start you at $150. If you get the bundle, which is the FX trimmers and the gold BabyLiss shaver, the bundle will cost you $200, which is worth it. I bought the bundle because $50 more you get the shaver. So let's go on to the next one. This is my favorite. I use it every day in every type of cut. And it's light too. The Andis master, very light. I did have to modify the teeth a little bit as well too to get it to the 0 gap. Very good. This will last you throughout the day, as long as you're putting it on the charger. If you're a type of barber that just leaves your machine like this and go to the next machine, it's gonna die quick. So this is a great machine to use. It blends very clean. It's just like the wired one. So if you use the wired one, I recommend you to get this one because it's easy. You don't have the wire in the way. It cuts very sharp, just like the regular wire one. It does make a louder noise. Hear it? It's not silent like the regular one. But it's a great machine. I recommend this. The price point on this one is $225, and it's worth every dollar. On to the next one. So this machine is the oster Topaz. This is a great all-around machine, especially if you are starting off. First of all, the first thing I want to start off with is the weight on this. It is super light, like so light, man. I could use 2 fingers and cut hair with this. Another thing is you could cut long period of time and it would not get hot on you at all. It will still be cool and nice. So I like that feature. And this machine it blends so good that it reminds me of this one. Yes, I'm telling you, just like this. What I like to use this is as my secondary machine. So when I finish cutting the whole entire head with this machine, I come with this one and I do little detailing on there to fix any little errors I have. This machine will cost you about $90. This is a great machine. So if you do the math, 150, 225, and 90, I think that'll give you about like 420. Let me see. I might be wrong. 225 plus 150 plus 90. It'll give you a total of 465 for these 3 machines. And you'll be set. And that's all you need. If you are a type of barber that likes to collect and work on a lot of different machines, go for it. But I would, starting off, these 3 right here. Can't go nothing wrong with these 3. Your haircut will come out on point. And fire, man, I'm telling you. Great machine to start off with. So I hope this benefit you. I hope you like what you saw. If you guys want to see more, drop a comment down below. If there's a specific video you guys would like me to make, let me know in the comments. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Please help me reach to 100 subscribers. That will be very helpful for me. So in this case, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys on the next. Peace.